Here. Today we start our class 1 Vedic mathematics. The first topic is we are going to multiply the numbers with a series of 1. What is my series of 1? The number containing here 1, all the numbers has 1 as a digit like that. So I am taking here 1, 11, triple 1, here 1, 1, 1, 1, etc. Okay. So this is called as series of 1 here. We are going to multiply n set of numbers. You can even multiply 3 digit, 2 digit, 5 digit, any numbers with this series of 1. Okay. How we can solve this? In the usual school method, we'll be doing here what is that is it is 23 into I'm taking here what is that is 11 means I will be just multiplying here 1 3s are here it is 3, 1 2s are again 2 here. Then what is that is 1 3s are here it is 3 and 1 2s are here it is 2. So I add this one. I take this 3 number here. 3 plus 2 is 5 here. Against 253. When it is coming two digit, it will be very easy to multiply in our usual school method. But when it is coming triple one, four ones, like this means it will be difficult. So in Vedic mathematics, we are going to the first class. We are going to study about how to multiply the series of one with any number of any numbers like that, 2 digit or 3 digit or 4 digit any number. Okay. So here first step, I want to solve the same example here using this, and we get only in a single step within a minute I can get the answer. If we practice more sums like this, we will be the first will be what is that is you can get a easier way to solve the problems very easy. Okay, so you have to just carefully watch my video here. So here in down part we are having 11, correct? So the 11 is having two digits, so there is two digits 11 like this. Cut one digit, so put there will be only one, so put one dash for putting dash only we are cutting 1 1, that's all. So we will be having dash 23 dash. If I am coming here, if I am getting here triple one means cut one dash, put two dashes on the both sides, correct? So here there are 11 here, correct? So here I am having 11, so it is a two digit number. So here we have to add two pairs here. So first pair I go with what is that is my writing and mark the pairs here. First pair is what is that is 3 plus dash. So what is going to be 3 plus dash? 3 plus dash is here it is 3. Next one we pair is what is that is from we have to go from the left this side and we will move on. So first pair I got here is 3 plus dash. 3 plus dash is 3. Next I move on, then flow to the left. So it is 2 plus 3. Next pair 2 plus 3 is 5. Next one is 2 plus dash. Next pair. So I have to take here what is that is two pairs because I am having here two digit number 1 1. So dash plus 2 is here it is 2. So what we got the answer is it is 253. Correct? So the same answer we got. Okay. Now I have to think the method is clear to you. We will go with the next example. So next example, I take some other three digit number here. What is that is 302 into triple one. Right? So since we are having here the downer part, so it is 1 1 1. So it is triple one. Cut 1 1 and put two dashes either sides. Okay, now we have to here I am having three digits 1 1 1. So we have to pair three terms. So 2 plus dash is 2. Again go inside from the right side to the left side. So 0 plus 2 plus dash is equal to 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus dash is 2. Next one is go inside, so 3 plus 0 plus 2. Next pair. So you take each and every pair as a 3 term because we are having 3 terms down here. So 3 plus 0 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. Next, dash plus 3 plus 0, right? So dash plus 3 is 3, 3 plus 0 is what is that is again 3. So next pair is the last pair here, dash plus 3. So dash plus dash is dash, dash plus 3 is 3. So we got the answer in a single step. So what will the answer? 302 into triple one is 33522. Like this, we go for a bigger example like 4 digit sums. So you'll be understanding more. Okay, so it is 2222. I take here what is that is 1111. So this step when you are usually doing in a school method like this means you'll be getting more time here. You have to add everything. In Vedic mathematics, it is very easy. Here it is how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 digits here. So I cut on one digit. So I had put here 3 dashes. 1, 2, 3. Here this side 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now you have to take pairs. How many pairs? Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers here. You have to take 4 pairs. So the first pair is what is that is 2 plus dash plus dash plus dash. Correct? So 2 plus dash plus dash plus dash is 2. The next pair is 2 plus dash plus dash. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus dash is 4 only. Correct? So next pair is what? We have to take this pair. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus dash. Correct? So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus dash is 6. Now we go for the next pair here. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay. So similarly, I go with the next pair here. So dash plus 2 plus 2 plus. So here I want to see here 1, 2, 3, 4 up to this one. So dash plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So I got the answer as 6. So next pair. So dash plus 2 plus 2. So it is 4. Even when you are putting the box itself, we can count. Okay. So if you are practicing more, you will get what is mind calculation inside. Okay. So next one is dash plus 2. That's all. Like this we go. So only you have to get 4 sets here. Dash plus 2 is 2. So we got the answer in a single step. 2, 4, 6, 8, 6, 4, 2. Am I right? That is easy. Now we go for an example like this. For can say it is a suppose I am getting here all are single digits. How we can go with an carry on sets? Suppose I am getting the addition. I am getting 10 means how can I do so? Okay, now I go with a simple example here. It is 64 into 11. I am going to do the same method here and solve for the same method, but I am going to get a 2-digit number here when I am adding. Right? Let's see. So here I am having 1, 1. Okay, so it's a 2-digit number. So we have to put here 1 dash this side, 1 dash this side. So 11 is there. I cut one number here. So I will put here, remaining is 1. So for putting dash alone, I use this one. Dash this side, this side. If it is triple 1, 2 dashes. If it is 4 ones, I will get 3 dashes. Okay. Now here I am having the downer part here is 11. So I have to pair two pairs. So 4 plus dash is the first pair. 4 plus dash is 4. Next I have to pair this one as 6 plus 4. Next pair. 6 plus 4 is what, sir? It is 10. Alright. So it is a 2-digit number. So I had to put here 0 here and I put the 1 here. As usual. What we done in the multiplication method is 2-digit means we will be carrying on. No? Same thing we are doing here. 1. Next pair we are going here. Dash plus 6. Dash plus 6 is 6. 6. We have to add this 1 also to carry on 1. So 6 plus 1 is what is it? It is 7. So the answer for 64 into 11 is 704. Okay. That is easy. Just you are going to carry on and you have to add in the next pair. Okay. So now I go with the next 3-digit number example here for carrying on. Okay. So I am getting here 352 into triple 1. So now here I am having 3 ones here. So I have to put here 2 dashes this side 2 dashes. Okay. Now I have to take 3 pairs. So we are well versed in this method technique. So now I go fast. So 2 plus dash plus dash. So 2 plus dash is here it is 2. Next one is 5 plus 2 plus dash is what is that is it is 7. Next one is 3 plus 5 plus 2 next pair. So 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So you have to put here 1. Here it is 0. Next pair is what is that is dash plus 3 plus 5. So dash plus 3 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. There is one there no. You have to add that also. Okay. So here it is. Next one is dash plus 3. So dash plus that one I had added, so I cancel that. So dash plus 3 is 3. So what I got the answer is 39072. So I got the answer in a single step. Okay. So even we go for next example, it will be more. Oh, sir, no, every time you are taking that 2 digit means 2 digit, 2 digit means 3 digit means 3 digit, 4 digit means 4 digit. No, we can do for any sum of digits, but the same methods here. Okay. Let's take here 291803 into, suppose I take this one as what is this 2-digit number 11. It is very simple. Okay. So here Here there are two digits 1 1. So I have to cut 1 and put 1 dash this side, 1 dash this side. Correct, sir? So I have to put only 1 dash. I have to put on the front part and the last part. So now here it is 11. So there are two terms. So there are two digit I will take. So I have to add two terms here. So 3 plus dash is, here it is 3. Next pair is 0 plus 3 is 3. Next one is 8 plus 0 is 8. Next one is 8 plus 1 is, here it is 9. Next one is 9 plus 1 is, here it is 10. So I put here 0. I carry on this 1 here. So next pair is, what is that is 2 plus 9. So what is number 2 plus 9? 9, 10, 11. Here again one is there, correct? So 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is 2 here. I put 1 here, correct? So now I take the next pair, dash plus 2. Dash plus 2 means what? It is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So I got the answer in a single step, correct? That is easy. So you practice more sums. You after this, I think this technique is very easy. You check my what is this, below this video there will be a description box. So description box, take the worksheet 1 and solve some of the more sums, and you practice more sums. You will get more ideas about the sums. Okay, thank you students.